Hello woodworkers, we would like to introduce you to our Wadkin Bursgreen WB320NZ Auto Straight Knife Grinder. Let us show you this grinder running and the main features of the machine. Footprint dimensions are 2 meter wide, 1.4 meter deep and 1.6 meter high. This machine is an advanced grinder featuring a fully automatic operation. With the PLC controller, a super high grinding accuracy is obtained. This machine is perfect for high production workshops. Shown here are the slide head speed valves, the grinding wheel up, down and in-out adjusters, and clamps. The whole process can take between 5 and 15 minutes, depending on the knife count on the cutter block, but during the process, you can leave the machine working on its own. Supplied with a 40mm or 50mm Spinder arbor, but other sizes are available if required. The large Schneider touchscreen allows full control and shows current working position with a clear display. Shown here are the hydraulic system, the coolant tank and the storage box. As you can see, it's automatic and it can accommodate any type of cutter block with a maximum width of 320mm, diameter of 320mm and up to an impressive 32 knives. Thank you for watching. If you need any more information, please click on the link below. This is AMS, your woodworking service company. Goodbye.